Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling. So in with us at the moment we have a fantastic brand new Ford Ranger. So this is the 69 reg, and this is the Wildtrak in the grey. Bit of really good news for us at the moment as well is we are going to be working with our local Ford dealership, which is John Grose Ford, so don't forget to check them out as well. We are going to be styling their Ford Rangers, the Wildtraks, and also their new vans as well. So a number of different styling packages we're going to be offering and working with them so they can offer their customers upgraded packages when they're purchasing their new pickup trucks and vans. So stay tuned for this one. It's going to be a good one. A number of different bits and pieces we are doing to this vehicle. So we are going to be doing the wide arch kit all the way around the vehicle, so new wide arches fitted to this. We've got 20-inch wheels, new upgraded wheels going on it, which have got all-terrain tyres as well. Give it a nice off-road, more aggressive look to the vehicle. We've also got a bonnet scoop that's going to be painted, colour-coded to the vehicle and fitted. We've got the black light surrounds going on front and back, so them as well. Then also we have the interior to strip all of the grey trims out, so that's on the dashboard, steering wheel, and on the door cards, and all of them are going in our hydro dip finish called Thorns, which is like skulls. So we'll be going through the process of doing that as well, so stay tuned for that. Normal thing, don't want to bore you all, so please like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications, stay up to date with our channel, particularly now because we're going to be going through the other packages we're doing on other pickup trucks, and of course the body styling and interior styling to the vans as well, to their transit vans. Superb. Stay tuned and we'll get this one into the workshop, get started. So here we are, we're going Adam, stripping a few bits off the pickup, get the interior trims out. Not too bad, are they, Ad?
Nah, this one's quite lovely. Yeah.
There we go.
It's lovely.
Superb. And that's out of there.
Didn't really hold your dip this bit.
Superb. Got a bit off the door as well. James is helping a little bit as well, aren't you, pal?
Do my best, mate. Do my best.
Here to help. Lovely. And as always, using the old plastic trim tools, aren't you, bud?
Yeah, mate.
So we don't damage anything. Right, here are all the parts that we are hydro dipping for the pickup truck. So as you can see, as standard, they're all in the grey. And we are going to be doing them all in the finish I'll show you on the board, if it shows up, which is the skulls and the thorns. There we go, so all of the finishes, all of the parts will be done in that finish. And we'll let Adam crack on with prepping them all. Happy days! Right, we have our new wheels to go on the pickup. There we go, with all-terrain tyres. We'll be getting them on later on. And here we have the other bits that are going on the pickup truck. So we've left them all in the packaging for the minute just to keep everything safe so it doesn't get damaged. This will be the bonnet scoop. We've got the headlamp, black surrounds, and the wheel arch kit as well with the fitting kit. So we'll be getting all of them on. Test fit them all first, make sure everything's okay, then get the bonnet scoop painted. And then the wheels on at the end. Of course, then we'll finish everything off with all the hydro dip panels, but they're now being prepped, and we'll get them painted white first of all, then hydro dipped at the end. Lovely. Right, here we are over with Ad. We're now getting the wheel arch extensions fitted.
Yeah.
How's it there? We've had a test fit, and we had.
Yeah, had a test fit and they fit absolutely lovely.
Okay.
Got the shapes of the vehicle and a nice flat here.
Yeah.
Here we are up here then. This is the van boy. And that is going to be going on here. A little something like that.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Should look good.
Quite a difference, I think. Along with the wheels. Going to look good.
Superb, lovely. Right, so here's all the bits lined up. These are all the bits for the interior. So these are all now lined up in the spray booth. They've all been prepped, ready to be painted white. This is to give it the backing colour for the hydro dipping finish. So James is now going to be getting sorted, ready to paint them all white, and we'll watch him do that. Right, and now over with Adam at the hydro dipping tank. So we're now hydro dipping the bits for the Ford Ranger. This is the Thorns skull finish, really cool finishes, so it should look really smart. Adam's now doing the final cuts to the film, so it's ready to go in the tank. Tank's all warm, ready to go. Isn't that right, Ad?
Oh mate, yeah.
Oh.
Final countdown.
Yes. Lovely, it's looking good, here we go.
Yep, all good mate. Okay.
Coolio. Which bit are we dipping? Let's have a look.
This bit here, which is the satellite navigation surround.
Lovely, so the sat-nav surround, excellent. Let's do it, big boy. Here we go. Let's get it going. Masks on, and let's do it. Go on. Right, so the part is now hydro dipped, as you've seen. We're now got the wash, or Adam's now going to give it a wash, get rid of the PVA glue off the back of it, which gives it the sort of like a glossy finish over the top of the film. We clean that all off, then we can prep it ready to be lacquered with all the other parts. Here we go. Right, we're in the booth with James. Behind we're doing some manoeuvres with all the hydro dip, or the bits to be hydro dipped for the Ranger, all in the skulls and thorns. Now all prepped and ready to go. Aren't they, James?
All ready to go, mate. All tacked off, all ready to clear go. So,
should we do it, shall we?
let's get it on.
Let's get it on.
Let's get it on.
There we go. And it's 11 parts in total.
Was 12, but we lost one.
Right, we're now getting all the bits that are hydrodicked back into the Ranger. Adam is now fitting everything up, so we're going to have a look, see how he's getting on.
Oh, we're getting
Hello,
on all right,
mate.
We're getting on all right.
Here we go, look.
Look at this, eh? What do you
Really
think
smart,
of
isn't
that?
it?
Got to fit the air vent back in. Clip this nice little frame in first. Oh, hear that?
Superb, look at that. That's one of them positive clicks, wasn't it?
Yeah. Your vent itself clicks in.
We've got a couple of bits, we'll go past Adam, have a look. We've got a couple of bits going in, look. Still got the front door cards to go on and the handle bits as well. Right, young James and Adam here are now fitting the bonnet scoop. It's all painted, colour coded to the car, so here we go. They're enjoying themselves. Yeah. Oh, mind you lads.
Yeah. What? Hello, mate. You're alright,
Hello,
mate.
mate.
You're mate.
Well, I told you to put it in lines, you see, when it's in.
Well, I can, it's a line.
Alright.
Line.
Alright.
Hi guys and girls, and thanks as always for checking out what's quite an important YouTube video for us today. So this is one of our first pickup trucks, so the Ford Ranger Wildtrak that we're doing for John Grose Ford in Ipswich. So we're now styling their pickup trucks and their vans. So we've got more pickup trucks and vans to come, so please stay tuned, like and subscribe to our channel for all of that. So with this one we have done a few different bits and pieces, starting with the wide arch kit. So we've supplied and fitted the wide arch Xtreme kit to this one in a matte black finish. Then we've also supplied some brand new nice gloss black 20-inch alloy wheels, specially drilled to fit this vehicle. We've also fitted to that wheel an all-terrain tyre, just giving it a much more aggressive look, which you know, when we're styling these sort of vehicles, that is much needed. So we've also then done supplied and fitted and painted or colour coded to the vehicle a bonnet sort of scoop, just to add to an aggressive look to the front. Also front and rear lights. We're just actually waiting on the rear light surrounds, but front light surrounds in a matte black have been fitted again, just to give the headlights a slightly more aggressive look. So that's all done, but the biggest thing we have done really time wise and work wise is we have removed all the interior trims from the vehicle. So that's door cards off, all sorts of the vents, air vents, all out of the vehicle as well. We then stripped all the panels, prepped them, painted them in the required colour, which is white, and then dipped them in our thorns and skulls finish, and then gloss lacquered them, fitted them all back in the vehicle. That's added a completely individual look to this vehicle, completely different to any other ones that are out there at the moment. So this is going as a demo vehicle along with the other pickup trucks and vans that we're doing to begin with. So don't forget, check out John Grose Ipswich Ford, their commercial department, so you can view these vehicles, maybe have a test drive, hopefully order one with Grosses, and then through them they would have it all kitted out in whatever you desire finish wise. Again, thanks very much for liking and subscribing and watching the video. Turn on your notifications so you can stay fully up to date with everything we're doing, especially if we're going to be doing a lot more of these type of vehicles. Speak to you again soon. Take care.